Hello again, welcome to Team Xerix at AIPL The Peaceful Homes, Sector 70A, Gurgaon. I'll be taking you through our 4 BHK configuration. Again, the servant room is on the outside, separate door on the outside from the lobby, with the servant washroom connected to the kitchen. This is the 4 BHK. This is 2925 square feet in area, which is the super area. We are in the living and dining space of the apartment. Connects to the balcony on the outside, which is overlooking the clubhouse and the swimming pool and the Aravalis. On the right hand side, we have the kitchen. So there's work to be done in the kitchen because this is an apartment which we have not sold as yet, which is yet to be handed over rather. A lot of work is pending actually in this one. So I'm just showing it to you with regard to the area, right? ACs are yet to be fitted over here, so we'll have 2 units in the living dining and the ACs. This will be the powder room section on the right hand side. So on both the sides of the alley we have bedrooms. So this one is bedroom 1, 11 by 13 in area, connected with the attached with a washroom. We have sliding doors in this one, right? So all this finished work is done at a later stage, so we don't do that at this point. But yes, there's ample cross ventilation in all the bedrooms. So we'll have windows or sliding doors, UPVC doors, windows in each of the bedrooms. Then there's this one, again with an attached bathroom and also a separate balcony. So this one will have a separate balcony with a UPVC window sliding door. So again, just like it's parallel to the living dining space, this will overlook the clubhouse and the Aravalis. Please come. This is the 3rd bedroom. Similar area, 11 by 13. Now this one faces a lawn, which is actually the lawn on the front side of Tower B, which is again a 3 BHK tower. So you get a lawn view also from this room, right? Attached washroom with this one. And this is the master bedroom. This one is the master bedroom. This room size would be bigger than the other ones. This is 12 by 14. The others are 11 by 13. This is 12 by 14. So a separate balcony for the master bedroom. This one is a round shaped balcony. So you can see the view on this side and then the Aravalis on the other side. So all the apartments are 3 side open units. 3 side open units will give you very good cross ventilation, good sunlight in all the apartments. So now we have exited from the 4 BHK apartment and we are back in the lobby. One more thing I wanted to highlight is this these extensions. So there's a partition at the entrance of your apartment. So you receive your guests, you wish them off. So there's a certain degree of privacy that is maintained. Now I'm going to quickly take you through top 5 reasons why you should go with AIPL The Peaceful Homes in Gurgaon. So number 1 is the location. Location is a very strategic one for the Peaceful Homes. This is just 5 minutes driving distance off the Southern Periphery Road, 10 minutes from Golf Course Extension Road, 25 minutes from the Golf Course Road. You have a lot of office spaces, a lot of other societies and a lot of high street markets that are coming up. If you want to connect to the national highway, that's another 10 minutes of driving distance. So it's very centrally located, I would say. No matter, say for example, your office shifts to any part of Gurgaon, you will be pretty much equidistant with regard to location, right? So 30 minutes to the Golf Course Road if you're in Cyber City or Cyber Hub area. That's not more than 35 minutes, 40 minutes taking into consideration the full traffic timings. Second is the very high livability quotient of the area, which is Sector 70A. Now there are already close to 800 families which are residing in this area for the past 2.5 years, maybe more than that in fact. Now this makes the place more viable for your basic needs, your necessities. So when I talk of markets, they're not more than 5 minutes driving distance, 2 minutes driving distance. Everything is delivered at your doorstep, be it your dry cleaners, your chemist, your grocery needs. So Milk Basket delivers here, Uber, Ola, all these are available in the area. Number 3 would be the premium specifications of the entire project. I'm not just saying the apartment, but the entire area, the entire project. So when I say that, start with the basements. So basements, we are giving electrical charging points for electric vehicles, or maybe if you want to vacuum your car, you have a provision, we are giving that. There's a lounge area for the drivers to rest. That's all at the B1 level. The lift lobby at the B1 level is centrally air conditioned. Not a lot of projects would have that. At the ground floor, the lobby is a double-heighted, centrally air conditioned lobby, beautifully designed, very wide spaces and sitting areas for your guests to wait up. The lifts, the brands of the lifts, the high-speed feature of the lifts, that is another. Within the apartment, Italian Botticino marble is one. Then wooden flooring, a good quality of wooden flooring is what we give. Daikin ACs, CAF is what we are giving in as chimney hob brands in the kitchen. Grohe and Duravit is what we are using in the washrooms. So when I attach all these brands and category, the premiumness and the luxury element of the project takes another level altogether. Number 4 would be the amenities. Now, if I talk of sports amenities, there's a lawn tennis court, there's a volleyball court, there are 2 badminton courts, half court for practice, basketball practice. Right, there are kids recreational zones, kids playing area. One is centrally located and the other ones we have close to in and around a few towers. Then there are mini recreational zones or mini clubs, you might say, at the ground floor of every tower. This is where we have board games like chess, carom, there would be table tennis, or maybe a football table. There's a cafe which would serve tea and coffee and light snacks through and through. This is a part of every tower in addition to the club amenities. The club will have the mini theatre, a gymnasium, there's a lounge area, there would be a salon within the club. The pool is outdoors with a kids pool. The amenities, basically we have scattered them throughout the project. It's not concentrated in a particular area or in a particular square footage of space. It's spread throughout the project. Number 5 is, if you are a nature lover, this area is something you cannot miss because of the protected area which is right across the project. There's a huge forest zone and Aravali area which you can see from right across the project, and it's a no construction zone. Basically, you have good quality of air in and around this area, less noise pollution. This sector particularly is a jogger's paradise in the morning. Thank you for watching the video. Do contact us on the number shared on the screen and share the video with your friends, your family who are looking for a wonderful property in Gurgaon. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.